From a driver fleeing a Florida highway patrol trooper and ending in a dramatic ditch crash, to a suspect who refused to comply and got tased twice, ultimately wetting himself, and a wild police chase concluding with a pit maneuver in Pinellas County. These are some of the most unbelievable police dashcam moments ever captured. The pursuit was initiated when the police observed a car moving at high speed, exceeding the allowed limit. Despite multiple requests to stop, the driver showed no intention of complying with the orders and continued to evade. After reporting to the police headquarters, a decision was made to implement the pit maneuver as soon as they closed in. The pit maneuver was successful as the officer intervened from behind the vehicle.
Okay, successful pit. Okay, Little Rock, I'm out with the deputies here, trying to get him out there. Keep your hands up! Step out of the vehicle! Arkansas State Police! Step out of the vehicle! Do as I tell you to! Step out of the vehicle! Now! You are at gunpoint!
Out of the car! Get out of the car! Father God would never get out of the car! Father God would never protect me!
You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased!
The driver was apprehended immediately. The determined resistance from the girl escalated the charges against her. Subsequently, the police had to use a taser to effectively control the defiant girl.
Make a way, Father!
We're gonna make one.
Make a way, Father!
We're gonna on passenger side in the rear. Let's shoot. Yeah, but that wasn't keeping it from closed. What
I
she
think it
doing?
was when it fell out. I don't know there's a water hose up there.
Got a visual.
Right above.
Taking off a little bit. He's going out, he was in the red. You almost ignored. He's signal four. We're in the ditch, he's in the box, start 1071.
Things that help you find joy all summer long.
Maybe 8 kilos for
I'm Lena Evans.
A silver Toyota is moving unusually on the road after a period of observation. The police decide to stop this vehicle.
Trooper Duncan with the Arkansas State Police. The reason why I stopped you, you're all over the road. You almost hit that 18-wheeler and that person walking down the interstate.
I was looking for him.
Huh?
I was looking for him.
You're looking for him?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on?
Upon reaching the vehicle, the police request relevant documents. However, they detect a strong smell of alcohol on the driver and inside the car.
Lean up against my car. Lean up against it.
The police ask him to step out of the car. The man, with dull eyes, is unable to respond to any questions from the police.
Where are you coming from?
Work.
Work? Where do you work at?
Hank's Furniture.
Hank's Furniture? They're open at 2:30? 1:30? See what?
I'm not open at that late, but work to go.
Have you had anything to drink tonight? Have you had anything to drink tonight? No? None whatsoever?
Where's she at?
That dude kept walking. I don't think in that person up. I think you're blowing smoke. Stop.
No.
Stop.
He is even not coherent enough to follow the orders of the police, forcing the officer to deploy a taser to control the situation.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Right here. Get on the ground. Right here. Get on the ground.
Ah, come on. Wow,
You done? You done? You done?
He is arrested shortly after for DUI and resisting law enforcement on duty. On the morning of January 3, 2022, the police chief conducted a traffic stop with a black Pontiac G6 coupe on Treasure Island, Florida. Instead of stopping, the vehicle fled at high speed, leading to a dangerous high-speed chase with other vehicles on the road.
Vehicle is speeding up rapidly.
To quickly bring the situation under control, the police approached the violating vehicle to perform a stop intervention. Seeing several vehicles ahead, the violating vehicle suddenly made a left turn to change lanes. A report was promptly sent to the chief's office by a female officer.
to Sailboat Key going 70 miles per hour. That front rear passenger tire is on rims. Tire is smoking. We've got debris all over, guys.
The police timely prevented the woman and requested her to exit the car. The woman seemed panicked and appeared remorseful, but it seemed too late if she could have stopped the car initially.
You alright? Okay. What's your name?
Rainy Horner.
Rainy Horner? Is the mom the registered owner of the car? Because I know it comes back to like a Horner or something like that.
This is my mother's car. I'm just trying to go to work. And I didn't know what to do. I'm scared and I'm so... I know sorry doesn't make up for anything at all.
Your driving was very, very, very crazy.
I didn't know what to do. I don't want to go
You just gotta stop.
I don't want to go to jail.
I get it, but...
Hope you will enjoy today's video on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to become valuable members of our channel. Goodbye and see you soon.